championship.
This is what superstars grind and scrape. And in this position, with this opportunity, one of these men is about to fulfill a lifelong dream. He eludes the contact. Jeez.
Drop right on their...
So much.
Kick right on the ear.
Bulldog.
Hoping to head this in no way. Suicide! Into the lariat.
Oh, and honestly, that might be his best bet here. Just get down and dirty with the competition. Don't back down. Remind them he's the son.
Uh-oh. This isn't gonna be pretty.
Nice suplex. And a stomp to the gut.
Breathing heavy yet. Blow to the breadbasket. Ooh, that my shoulders down. Championship on the line. Gets his shoulder up right before two.
Not enough to get past the 1 count yet.
What a headbutt.
Cody Rhodes with his opponent.
Drives them down with a vertebreaker. And frustration might be starting to set in.
From the top.
Axe handle.
Here comes the pitch. Home run. Setting up. Suplex. The reversal. Clothesline.
Good grief.
Oh, Cody anticipated that.
Cody Rhodes laying down the gauntlet to his opponent.
Lariat. He saw it coming, taking advantage.
Into the DDT.
Now a pin for the championship. Kicks out after 1.
Somehow still in this fight. Not down and out yet.
Hoisted up. Wow, gut buster. Has to end in the ring. Setting up.
Nice suplex.
Vertical suplex. He may be in a bad way here.
Until that bell rings and his arm is raised, The Rock's making it absolutely clear that he's going to keep bringing it.
The Rock telling his opponent to get their candy, you know what, over here.
Clothesline.
What is Cody Rhodes looking for here? Oh, my.
Vertebreaker.
Placed in the corner. Countered it just in time.
Great job refocusing to reverse that.
Toss. Uh-oh. Oh, man. That is tossing your own body around without a care.
Taking no account for their own well-being.
Cody looking to attack from above. Uh-oh. Way too...
Was trying to make a big splash with that, but there was no water in the pool.
Just right on the tip. Brought back into the ring from the floor now. Forearms for the... Here's the pin. Top on the line. Stopping the ref's count at 2.
And you got to think he's just one final blow away from not kicking out next time.
result. Thought it was over, but the kick out surprised him.
Battling at ringside can be very unforgiving. You have to be careful out there.
No protection out here. No safe confines to speak of.
Oh, what a slam.
What power. What dominance. Oh, suicide dive.
That was coming in hot at breakneck speed.
Going fast and living dangerously.
All the way out. Suplex. And there's more resiliency from Cody to just keep battling.
The Rock is possibly about to be taken out here.
Vicious right forearm. It's been a hard-hitting affair here tonight.
These competitors are going to have trouble walking on their own after this one.
Into the corner he goes, a perfectly placed target. And he denies Cody. Oh, God. Oh, caught by the back elbow.
Look at this, just unloading. Oh, nasty stop to finish it off. From the top.
Oh, huge miss there.
He just barely dodges.
Cody Rhodes hooks him up.
The Rock just got checked in.
He's positioned up on that turnbuckle.
Uh-oh, this is risky. This is dangerous. From the top.
From the top.
That was awesome, Cole.
Rhodes looking to end this.
Crossroads.
Cody Rhodes nailed it. Cody Rhodes has his opponent right where he wants him. There's Crossroads. How much more can they endure? Two. What is it going to take to put him away?
You gotta wonder what more Cody has to do to put him away here. Delivers the Bulldog.
Listen to this place. It's unreal.
Uh-oh. Way too It's demoralizing to see The Rock in trouble here.
And Cody's next level brawling skills on display right now as he takes it to the opposition.
Inverted atomic drop. Shoulders down. Championship on the line. Oh my, still alive.
What? What? What do you say? This is amazing.
What a match. From the top. Oh, misses the mark.
Saw that coming. These two trading counters, an absolute masterclass.
It's time! It's time for the most electrifying move in all sports entertainment! There is the people's elbow! Cody's eyes look glazed over. Two!
What a kick out at two.
The resilience on display from Cody Rhodes is a common occurrence that never gets old.
Rock might need to dial up a little more electricity than usual, if that wasn't enough. Lots of attention being put on the torso here.
Yeah, it's obviously been targeted throughout this match.
From the top. Elbow drop. Everyone is on their feet in this building.
Absolutely showing the respect for all the exertion.
Uh-oh. Way too
Consecutive high-risk maneuvers, and the pace of this match has certainly picked up. Clothesline avoided contact and brought a big attack of their own.
Cranking the head.
Look at this, just stop after stop after stop. Trying to find his bearings, but it looks like his end is near. Up high.
Whoa, look out. Showing absolutely no apprehension to putting one's body on the line.
Headbutt to the groin.
That was low.
And his torso continues to be targeted.
That could be disrupting the flow of air at this point.
Oh, the knee right down low. Oh, that hurt. The Rock is laying the smack it down.
And The Rock's opponent is looking like a jabroni.
And Cody puts a stop to the momentum that was mounting against him.
Cody Rhodes tipping the scales a bit here.
And that toss got some hang time.
Climbing up top, he's got big plans from the top.
All the way to the outside.
You want to talk about putting it all on the line.
Always an extra risk when you dive ringside. Quick return to the ring.
Pulls their opponent in.
Belly to belly. Bulldog brings them down. From the middle rope. Oh!
The People's Champion is being targeted. Rhodes about to head to the pay window.